first, let's focus on this screen. It's a 10.25 capacitive touch screen. Look. The US style always reminds the original style. It's very fabulous, right? Okay, let's test each function one by one. Media, we built in music, video, photo, YouTube, and Spotify. When you're driving alone, you can open the music and kill some time. And also you can watch YouTube and Spotify. The second is the phone link. We also call it mirror link. It can display your mobile phone in this screen. Now we just support Android USB connection and iPhone USB connection. Okay, next one is phone. This is the most important function for outdoor device because for your safety, you have to make calls with hands-free. After connected with your Bluetooth, you can make calls with hands-free. Here, I already connected with my mobile phone. Okay, this is easy. This next one is navigation. Navigation is also an important function. We built in our standard map apps is Google. Also, you can download any map apps if you need. Next one, DVR. Here we don't have a DVR here, so this shows no signal. It means you can mount a OEM DVR, and the video will shows here. We don't have now. Next one is a driving computer. Many customers asked me, "Hey Jenny, if I buy your screen, if I replace your screen, would it choose the original parameter?" Here, I would like to say yes. You can see here we choose the distance, the fuel level, and the temperature. Here, see, it will choose this parameter. Okay, next one is 13 menu. You can set many parameters here. Okay, we check it one by one. Sound, navigation here is we can choose the navigation path. If you most use this Waze or Yandex, you can select here. Backlight, Bluetooth, touch adjust date and time, language, we can see we support many language. Creole, Dutch, Italian, French, Spanish, Japanese, many. Back car. Here we have an important setting here. You attention please. If your car with an original camera device, you should choose this menu, back car video from host camera. If your car with an original camera device, our car with an original device, so when I put the reverse gear, it shows video. Check. But if your car with don't have an original camera and you add an OEM camera, you should choose this one. It's a very important setting. If you didn't set well, the display, the reverse display, the reverse video will not works. Here you can connect Wi-Fi here. Also, version you can check is the Android 6. Sometimes, if your car with the resolution not works well, you can put password 66666 here, and you can set the host display resolution. You can try each style. 1, 2, 3 here. And also this one, aux switch. This is hidden setting. Okay. Next is Android Play Store. You can download apps here in Play Store here. When press this icon, we can enter into original car system. Some customers asked, "Hey Jenny, if your screen support original, I want to remind the original function. I don't want to lose any function." Yes, check here. We remind the original system. And also, my customer care about if our screen support steering wheel control here. Yes, we have.
你本来真不忍心，能此刻别离，我在诗里看到了你。
Look here.
我在诗里看。